Hey everybody, so I got a quick video from Lowe's. Picked up some Kobalt items. Please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. Hey everybody, so this is just going to be kind of a quick video. We'll probably pop them out of the packages, but I picked up a couple Kobalt items from Lowe's. Let's get them out of the bags real quick. You know, I've been eyeballing a couple of these for well over a year. This guy I've been eyeballing for about a year and a half, which is a little 3-in-1 multi-use saw kit. It comes with a metal material, a wood, and a flush cut saw. And it says lifetime guarantee, a hassle-free lifetime guarantee. It is part number 0247218. And it's got an exchangeable handle. And you can use recip blades on this guy, which I thought was kind of neat. It does come with a recip blade. Accepts standard recip and hacksaw blades. This guy right here is a hacksaw blade. I assume, you know, it'll accept whatever length you choose. There's two other items I picked up. One of them is the Kobalt kit. It's a dual pack. 0961331 is the part number. It's their locking pliers kit, where you push this pin in and then you pull on the handle and it unlocks. And they're basically vice grips in a sense. The difference between these and normal vice grips is you could put a socket on these. You could put a screwdriver through it. You could twist it. Let's see. Where's the information? Adjustment knob can be turned by a wrench, by hand, by a socket, or by inserting a screwdriver to apply torque. So I thought that was neat. This is probably the nicest one I found. You can do this one-handed. Like that. Lock it down. You just push this button in till the pin clears, and then pull, and it unlocks. They're chrome vanadium. Comes with a standard and a needle nose, a 6.5-inch needle nose, and a pair of 10-inch standard locking pliers. And then the last thing I grabbed, which I grabbed this because they were on sale. These are normally $29, and I got them for $14. And these are auto-locking, self-adjusting pliers. And they do have a lock here. You push this lock up and it locks the handles in. I thought these were neat. I've never, all of mine are you know, you gotta push the pin in, slide them, you know, like Cobras. I have a lot of Cobras, and I have a lot of, you know, tongue and groove and slip joint pliers. I've never had any pliers like this. They're self-adjusting. Button release, which is, it locks the handle. And when you apply force, like my finger, this handle slides up into these notches, and you can apply force from there. Chrome, durable chrome nickel steel, button release, parallel jaws, self-adjusting, 8-inch and 10-inch. I thought I'd give them a try. If anybody's ever used these, let me know what you guys think. They do lock nice. And I've never used these, but I've been eyeballing both of these sets right here for about 2 or 3 years now, since they came out. But these were on sale for $14 at Lowe's. Now that's not bad, especially, you know, $14 for two, when you normally would pay about $14 or $15 a piece for them after tax, be like 36 bucks. All of this right here was only 50 bucks. And let me get a pair of dikes and or side cutters, however you guys want to label them. Pull these guys out. Just pull those out. All I did was just cut it down the center. And then same with these guys right here. Assume the little ones are probably easier to steal. That's why they're inside of a container of plastic housing compared to the others. You know, I do have quite a bit of Kobalt stuff. I do have a lot of their hand tools. I don't think I have any of their wrenches. Figured we'd just open them real quick. So, move up and down until you put force, and then this handle slides up. And then it locks in. And then you just flip this switch up and it locks them closed. These are slightly loose. The bottom jaw is definitely loose. You can see how loose that one is. But you know, if they work for what I need, the top jaw on the bigger ones, or the bottom jaw, doesn't move as much. Doesn't move as much at all. So, you know, if I ever have any problems with either the lifetime warranties, I'll just take the pair back or whatever, and see if I can get them replaced. Let's see how. These aren't too bad. The jaws do move quite a bit, but they don't move when you clamp them down. This guy right here, the jaws aren't too bad on this one. And then we'll pop this one out as well. And you know what, the Ego stuff at Home Depot, what's irritating the piss out of me is they didn't drop the price of 90% of them. They just, all they did was make the price sticker yellow and left the price the same. This kit, 3-in-1 multi-use saw kit, is 0247218. These two sets of self-adjusting pliers is 0749270, and the vice grip locking pliers, or locking pliers 2-pack, is 0961331. Are the part numbers if I didn't say them earlier. Okay, here's one blade. Here's the tool and one of the blades. And then here's the recip blade right here. It's a little 14 TPI recip blade. These are pretty nice. And it is a long blade. can see how long it is. This is a 10-inch, 24 TPI. That's pretty nice that you could put it so far down the handle. This is made of metal. Assume you could pull it out here, yeah. You can move it out. Just put it in about this far where the screw is. And you got a full-size blade. I think it's a pretty neat little system. I do love Kobalt's handles. Their handles are very nice. It does accept full-size reset blades. Like that. And then it's got, this reminds me of a Japanese style knife. A Japanese style like wood saw. Except those are about 3-4 inches wide and they taper down and they're probably, I don't know, 20 inches long or so. But this is really nice. I figure it'll come in handy doing woodwork. I didn't see that you can get these blades at Lowe's. This is a 14 TPI, but I didn't see if they had these just by themselves. They do have the recips as well as the, what is it called? Oh, it does have a replacement flush blades, which is this guy right here. Part number is for that is, or item number, I should say. It's right here at the bottom. It's 081708, sold separately. Maybe my Lowe's just didn't have any. I can't remember what these are called. I think these are hacksaw blades. Substandard recip and hacksaw blades. Yep, this is a hacksaw blade. And you can probably use any brand you choose. Most of these are standard. But it's just a quick video. Well, it wasn't so quick. It's 12 minutes. And, you know, I apologize. But we took them out, you know, looked at them. I'll give you guys my opinion down the road when I've had more time with them. I do appreciate you guys stopping by and hanging out with me today. Please like, comment, subscribe. Hit the bell notification icon for future updates. As well as go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, my DJI Electronics affiliate links, as well as my Ohio Power Tool affiliate links. I'm actually moving the light, that's what's going on, sorry about that. And hopefully I'll see you guys on the next video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you guys have a great rest of your day. Peace!